Hey Rosie, being as though you get most of the comments on the channel, do you want to pick what we're going to cook tonight? Mini Dauphinoise potatoes. Really? Okay, all right. So today we're going to make mini Dauphinoise potatoes. And they are going to be the best bran brie you've ever eaten. And let's give mini Dauphinoise potatoes a go. I better give her this cheese now, haven't I? Step one, just melt some butter with a clove of garlic. So I'm going to brush the melted butter into a, I don't know, what do you call them, muffin tray. And that will just make sure that the potatoes don't stick. Exactly. Or as they don't say anywhere, press now. And I'm looking for some potatoes that when I slice them up are going to fit in the bun tray. Just like that. So to get it a bit even, you can kind of just sort of shape that just a little bit. So there's a couple of ways you could do this. You could either cut these really thin, or if you've got a mandolin or a crap one like I've got, you can use that. How Captain Corelli got a tune out of this thing, I don't know. Okay, I've sliced up my spuds and I'm going to put 250ml double cream in with my butter. So I get half my stack. Pour the sauce over it. Get me a piece of cheese. Get the other half. And then pour that over like that. Okay, and we're going to cover this in tin foil and we're going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. So what are we going to drink with it? I'm serving it with the potato, fucking hell. What are we going to drink with it? I'm serving these potatoes with a roasted guinea fowl. Check me out for fanciness. And I am going to recommend a viognier. Oakley dokley. So we are now 40 minutes into the cooking. They're looking damn good. I'm going to put a bit of cheese on top of them. And then we're going to cook them for another 10 minutes.
If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?